Welcome to the MyFreezEasy desktop app. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how quick and simple it is to create a personalized freezer meal plan for your family. First, review the categories and decide which category you would like to choose recipes from. We have categories based on type of protein, cooking method, and dietary preferences. Select a category. Now review the recipes that we have available in each category. In the ground beef category, I'm going to select 2 recipes for my meal plan. From here, I'm going to go back to the categories page to choose another recipe from a different category. If you're not sure your family will like the recipe or you're curious about the ingredients, you can simply click on the recipe to view the ingredients and cooking directions. Please note that in the final meal plan, it will have instructions for how to assemble this meal for your freezer cooking prep day. I like to change the serving size for this one. I'll change this one to 8 and get that added to my recipe box. And because my oldest son loves pork chops, I'm going to go view the recipes in the pork chop category. Now that I'm happy with the recipes I have in my recipes box and the serving sizes, I'm going to review and print. I can print my meal plan, in which a PDF file will automatically download to my computer. I can also download a file that will print labels to match the recipes that I have selected. You can print this PDF onto the Avery 6874 paper. I can also email myself the meal plan, and the meal plan and shopping list will be sent to the email that you have connected with your member account. It really is that simple and really takes just a few minutes to get a perfect meal plan together so that you can load your freezer with amazing meals that your family is going to love.